Welcome back to our course Software Development Mindset 7 Wastes in Software Development. Now we will discuss the first waste. Number 1, partially done work. Until a software code is released into production and the customer tests it, you have no clue whether it is useful or not. It solves a business problem or not. Partially done work is a waste that always happens in every software development organization. That any work it is not checked in, integrated, tested, and deployed, it is a become waste. Symptoms of partially done work. Partially done work has a common symptoms in every organization development. For example, uncoded documentation. Every document that describe requirements, features, stories, and so on that are documented far in advance of development process will quickly become obsolete, forcing this work to be repeated before a value delivered to the client. So if you have a financial documents, a requirements documents, a feature list, and so on, every stories, and when your development process started, you need to revisit it again and check it is become obsolete or it is a live document like now. Another example is the unsynchronized code. Code that sits on developer's workstation for a long period of time makes the integration is difficult. That code it is not shared in the repository and at the same time a multiple source branches, for example, multiple source controls for a long time. When we merge it into one main branch or one main source code, it will be a disaster. Untested code. Code without associated with automated testing and regression testing and functionality testing is appearing a ground of bugs. Without tests and stamp for these modules that is granted, it is code bug free, it is a waste of time. Undocumented code. Of course, all of us faces these situations before. When you hand over a code from a team or another team that is undocumented, and you fired back this code, it is not readable, it is not organized, and so on. It is increasingly the chance of errors and bugs. Undeployed code. The longer that you hold your code inside your team and the client never see this code, it is become a waste. Uh, Users and end user didn't see this deployed code, didn't see how this deployment is integrated with the other system, how it solves this problem. When you're going further after months or weeks to the deployment process, it will be a big bang that will easily overwhelm your users, and all of users see a lot of features, for example, as appears dramatically to the integration parts and so on. So these symptoms of the partially done work, how we can act accordingly uh, to reduce and eliminate the partially done work. Our strategy here to define exactly between your team and the clients the definition of done. If we have a lot of tasks, a lot of modules, who consider it will be done. Things are either in progress or not started or done. We consider done when it is really done 100%. Don't listen to 90% of work is done. The work is done but it is not integrated. The work is done but it's not tested. The work is done and blah blah blah. Team sit together with the client and set every functionality the definition of done, and when it deployed to the production and the client tested it, it will be done. Considering set the definition of done early and every sprint for your team, it will be better to set the expectations of your clients and your team as well. So things are done when it's made the done definition, or it is called a definition of done. Don't forget to check the lecture resources and appreciate if you collaborate with us in our discussion tab. Thank you.